Hey everyone, welcome back to Kitchen and Home Review. Today we're exploring amazing Amazon kitchen gadgets 2025 that you probably didn't know you needed. But once you see them, you'll definitely want them in your kitchen. So friends, let's start. Smart Kitchen Scale. Take control of your health with the Atexity Smart Food Kitchen Scale. Green Salad. This premium stainless steel scale comes with a nutritional calculator and a free app that tracks 19 essential nutrients, including calories and macros. Perfect for weight loss or meal prep. It measures in grams and ounces up to 11 pounds, making healthy eating simple, precise, and smart. Bottle Opener. Make kitchen tasks effortless with the Kitchen Mama Epic One Multifunction Opener. Bottle with popping cork. This versatile gadget features a magnetic bottle opener, beer and soda opener, and an effortless jar lid opener. Perfect for seniors, the elderly, or anyone with weak hands or arthritis. Its ergonomic design ensures easy use while adding a splash of bright red style to your kitchen. Countertop Corner Bread Box. Bring timeless charm and practicality to your kitchen with the Black Corner Bread Box, a stunning blend of modern style and farmhouse warmth. Crafted from premium bamboo wood, this large storage box keeps your bread, pastries, and snacks fresh longer. Its unique corner design saves space, while the clear window lets you see what's inside at a glance. Durable, elegant, and spacious. The Black Corner Bread Box is the perfect centerpiece for any countertop, adding beauty and organization to your kitchen every day. Water Splash Guard. Transform your sink space with the 30-inch premium kitchen sink silicone water splash guard. Now in an ultra-wide size upgrade and a new, improved package. Made in Korea, this eco-white splash guard keeps your countertops perfectly dry and spotless. No more messy water spills, just clean, sleek protection without suction cups. Crafted from high-quality, flexible silicone. Knife set with built-in sharpener. Experience the art of precision with the Ninja Footy Never Dull Premium Knife System. A stunning 17-piece collection crafted from German stainless steel for ultimate sharpness and durability. Its secret? The built-in sharpener that keeps every blade razor sharp with just a few swipes. From slicing to chopping, every cut feels smooth, effortless, and professional. Wrapped in a sleek black block design, this set brings elegance and performance right to your countertop. Elevate your kitchen with the Ninja Footy Never Dull Knife System. Sharp, stylish, and built to last. Pro Electric Kettle. Introducing the Kasori Electric Kettle, where elegance meets performance. Crafted from premium borosilicate glass with no plastic filter or spout, it ensures the purest taste every time. Boil water in just minutes with its powerful 1500W heating system, perfect for tea, coffee, or instant meals. The 1.8 quart capacity and automatic shutoff make it both safe and efficient. With its sleek black design, LED illumination, and crystal clear body, the Kasori Electric Kettle adds modern beauty and precision to every pour. Egg Slicer. Say hello to the crafty crocodile egg slicer, your new kitchen essential for perfect slices every time. Designed with 3 slicing modes, this heavy-duty stainless steel cutter lets you slice, wedge, or dice eggs effortlessly. But it doesn't stop there. It's perfect for strawberries, mushrooms, grapes, and cherry tomatoes too. With its sturdy build and sleek white design, it adds both style and function to your countertop. Quick, clean, and precise. The crafty crocodile egg slicer makes meal prep beautifully simple. Honey Dispenser. Add a touch of elegance to your table with the glass honey dispenser. A stunning blend of style and function. Featuring a chrome-plated ABS lid and stainless steel shaft, this no-drip design lets you pour honey or maple syrup with perfect control. The beautiful honeycomb glass body holds up to 8 ounces and sits gracefully on its matching stand, keeping your countertop clean and classy. Sweet, sleek, and effortless. The glass honey dispenser turns every drizzle into a golden moment of perfection. Cutting Board. Elevate your kitchen prep with the titanium cutting board, a durable, double-sided cutting board made from pure titanium and wheat straw pages. This food-grade board is safe, non-toxic, and perfect for chopping, slicing, and dicing all kinds of ingredients. Its large 16-inch by 11-inch size gives you plenty of workspace, while the double-sided design helps keep your kitchen organized and hygienic. Easy to clean and built to last, This cutting board combines strength, style, and practicality in one sleek package. Whether you're prepping vegetables, meat, or baked goods, the titanium cutting board is a must-have kitchen essential for every home chef. Toaster. Multifunctional toaster. Kickstart your mornings with fresh toast or perfectly warmed bagels with the Mueller Ultra Crisp 4-slice toaster. Features cancel, defrost, and reheat functions, self-centering slot guides, and intelligent heating technology to deliver even toasting every time. Full control. 6 browning settings let you take control of your toasting level so you can enjoy your toast exactly how you like it. Memory recall keeps your settings saved, but with sleek touch buttons and LED display, it's just as easy to switch between settings. Effortless cleaning. Toasters naturally gather crumbs, but with our removable crumb tray, maintenance is a breeze. The convenient underbase cord storage keeps your toaster compact and your countertop tidy. Crafted with premium components, this brushed stainless steel toaster is a guaranteed asset to your kitchen and a must-have for any apartment essentials list. Foldable trash can. Say goodbye to bulky trash cans with the Glad Roommate collapsible waste bin. This sleek, 2-gallon expandable design is perfect for any space: your home, car, office, or camping trip. Just pop it open when you need it and fold it flat when you're done. It's that easy. With its modern white finish and durable, easy-to-clean material, it adds a touch of elegance while keeping things tidy. Compact, stylish, and practical, the Glad Roommate collapsible waste bin is the smart way to stay organized anywhere. Smart coffee table. Upgrade your home with the Cosé rustic farmhouse cottagecore coffee table. Herb featuring a natural tray top and handcrafted finish, this versatile sofa table is perfect for family, dining, or living rooms, even in small spaces. Add a touch of modern rustic charm today. Deep fryer pot. Meet the Presto FryDaddy electric deep fryer, your shortcut to crispy, golden perfection every time. This sleek black fryer heats up fast and maintains the ideal frying temperature automatically, so there's no guesswork, no mess. Fry delicious fries, chicken, shrimp, or donuts with just 4 cups of oil, saving you time and money. Its non-stick interior makes cleanup effortless, while the compact design fits any kitchen space beautifully. Simple, efficient, and stylish, the Presto FryDaddy makes frying fun and deliciously easy. Garlic chopper. Meet the Chef N Garlic Zoom garlic chopper, the tiny gadget that makes garlic prep fast, fun, and mess-free. Just load your cloves, close the lid, and roll. The innovative rolling action chops garlic perfectly in seconds. Its compact, handheld design saves space while keeping your hands odor-free. Cleanup is a breeze. Just pop it in the dishwasher. Stylish, smart, and efficient, the Chef N Garlic Zoom turns everyday cooking into effortless perfection. So, which gadget surprised you the most? Tell me in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Kitchen and Home Review, and hit the bell icon, so you never miss our latest Amazon finds. So, friend, thanks to you for watching the full video.